है कि जनता की सुगमता के लिए इस ट्रेन को बसीकृत रेलवे स्टेशन पर स्टॉपेज कराया जाए। आपका धन्यवाद।
श्री के राम मोहन नायडू।
धन्यवाद अध्यक्ष महोदय, आपने मुझे बोलने का मौका दिया। रेल मंत्री जी भी उपस्थित है तो उन्हीं का मुद्दा है। आपके माध्यम से मैं रेल मंत्री जी के संज्ञान में लाना चाहता हूं कि आंध्र प्रदेश रेलवे जोन का जो मुद्दा है, साउथ कोस्ट रेलवे जोन, वो अभी तक शुरू नहीं हुआ। सर, 3 साल पहले, चुनाव से पहले रेल मंत्री जी जब पीयूष गोयल जी थे, उस टाइम उन्होंने वादा किया था, प्रॉमिस भी किया था, पर अभी तक वो शुरू नहीं हुआ। और उसके 2020-21 में बजट का भी आवंटन हुआ, फिर भी 1 पैसा भी उसके ऊपर खर्च नहीं हुआ। पिछले महीने विशाखापट्टनम प्रधानमंत्री जी खुद आए थे। उस टाइम लोगों में इतनी ज्यादा आशा थी कि जरूर उसके बारे में कुछ बोलेंगे या शिलान्यास करेंगे, पर कुछ नहीं हुआ। सर, तो जरूर एक और बार रेल मंत्री जी के संज्ञान में लाना चाहूंगा कि जितना जल्दी हो सके रेलवे जोन को शुरू किया जाए सर, साउथ कोस्ट रेलवे जोन फॉर आंध्र प्रदेश।
ऑनरेबल स्पीकर सर, through you, I on behalf of my party Biju Janata Dal urge the centre, particularly Honorable Finance Minister, to withdraw the GST on Kendu leaves in greater interest of the livelihood of lakhs of Kendu leaf pluckers and associated staff. Kendu leaves, a minor forest product, is the financial backbone of about 8 lakhs Kendu leaf pluckers, binders and seasonal workers of Odisha, and mostly belonging to the tribal community and the poorest of the poor of society. The tribal people collect the leaves as part of their right defined under the Scheduled Tribes and other traditional forest dwellers Recognition of Forest Right Act 2006. They have the right to procure and sell these products. 18% GST on Kendu leaves is affecting the trade and livelihood of pluckers. The tax needs to be withdrawn for the greater interest of the poor people in Odisha, particularly tribals. This in turn affects the livelihood of Kendu leaves, pluckers, binders, seasonal workers, and also implementation of social security and welfare schemes for them. Our Honorable Chief Minister of the Odisha state has expressed his concern and also written the same letter to the Centre and Finance Minister. Thank you very much, sir.
श्री जगन्नाथ जी।
अध्यक्ष जी, मैं आपका बहुत आभारी हूँ कि जो एक अत्यंत लोक महत्व का विषय है, उत्तर प्रदेश में अक्टूबर में इस बार अप्रत्याशित बाढ़ आई, जिसके कारण 21 जनपद के लगभग 2235 गांव बाढ़ से महरूम हो गए। हमारे सिद्धार्थनगर के 580 गांव, जिसमें इस बार पहली बार हुआ, मतलब मानसून सेशन कभी जुलाई, अगस्त, सितंबर के बाद कभी बारिश नहीं हुई थी। ये पहली बार अप्रत्याशित बारिश अक्टूबर में हुई और कुछ नेपाल की नदियों का पानी आया, जिसके कारण सड़कें टूट गईं, जिसके कारण एक लगातार 8,730 हेक्टेयर में पूरी फसल खराब हो गई और किसानों के सामने आज ये स्थिति रवि के लिए। तो मैं मांग करता हूं कि एक केंद्रीय अध्ययन दल जाए, जिससे कि वहां के किसानों की जो फसल की क्षति हुई है उसका आकलन करके और उन्हें मुआवजा दिया जा सके, क्योंकि जिस तरह से एक अप्रत्याशित नुकसान हुआ, केवल फसल का नहीं हुआ, घरों का हुआ है, बड़ी संख्या में लोगों की मृत्यु हो गई है और रेलवे लाइन पे भी पानी आ गया था, बंधे कई टूट गए, कई सड़कें हो गई। हमारा जनपद कई दिनों से प्रदेश से एक तरह से अलग हो गया था, टापू हो गया था। तो ये अत्यंत महत्वपूर्ण सवाल पर मैं चाहता हूँ कि आप दें कि केंद्र से।
उत्तम कुमार रेड्डी।
धन्यवाद।
Speaker sir, through you, I wish to bring a matter of urgent public importance to the Government of India. The people of Telangana are strongly objecting to the auction of 4 coal blocks, Kalyan Kani block, Koyagudam block, Sattupalli block and Shravanipalli block. These coal blocks are co-located with the existing coal mines of a 100-year-old public sector coal mining company, Singareni Collieries Company, which is a profit-making public sector mining company. It has continuous profits for 20 years. In a very irrational and bizarre decision, the Government of India has announced auction of the coal blocks adjacent to the Singareni mines coal blocks. The Singareni Collieries Coal Company now supplies coal to the thermal power stations of Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. Instead of allocating these coal blocks to the Singareni Collieries Company, the coal ministry is putting up for auction which is an irrational and objectionable decision. We demand that the auction of these 4 coal blocks be cancelled and they be allotted to the public sector companies, Singareni Collieries. Sir, I'd like to also to bring to the government that the Honorable Prime Minister, during a visit to Telangana last month, had promised that they will not be privatized, but still the government of India is going ahead with the privatization of the coal blocks in Telangana. So Mr. Prahlad Joshi has come. He has replied last time, but he's replied that this is a government decision. There is no logic to it.
Thank you, sir. I rise to speak about the shrimp industry of Andhra Pradesh.
Whatever honourable member from Telangana has alleged, it is virtually and factually wrong. The auction process is going on from last 2.5 years, and it is the most transparent system which we have adopted. So far, nobody has alleged anything against the system of transparent system of auction. And this is also beneficial to the state. If state wants, they can participate, and there are many states, for example, where there is no Bharatiya Janata Party ruling. You please listen.
No. आप बोलिए.
Sir, first of all, I would like to tell about the auction process. You give me 1 minute, sir. Then auction. I will tell.
Who started this?
You tell.
Let me play it.
You tell me whatever is happening. This is the process of through a transparent auction method is happening. And as far as privatization is concerned, 51% is with Telangana government and 49% is with us. How can you privatize it? And see, this is not the question of allocating the coal blocks. It is through auction. Everybody has to participate through auction. This is the system we have adopted now. And sir, I would also like to tell, in many other states, for example, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, there also auction is going on. Those governments are cooperating. What is their problem? And entire revenue, sir. Entire revenue through auction, it goes to the state government. The entire auction, it goes to the state government. The people who are in the coal scam, they are talking all these things.
इनकी समस्या है कि 51 राज्य को क्यों दे रहे हो?
जो कोल स्कैम में करोड़ों रुपए का कोल स्कैम किए थे, वो लोग ये ट्रांसपेरेंट सिस्टम नहीं चाहते हैं.
आपकी सरकार लाओ श्री कृष्णा.
Sir, the